In this video, you'll learn how to remove backlinks in Notion. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively manage your backlinks within the application. Start by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can either sign in or create a new account if needed. Next, locate the option to add a new page. On the left sidebar, you will see a button labeled Add a New Page. Click on this button and a new blank page will be created. This action allows you to start working on your content without any distractions. After that, click on the title area of your new page. This is typically at the top of the page and will prompt you to enter a title. Type in a relevant title for your page, such as link 1, to identify it easily later. Once you have named your page, click on a blank space within the page. This allows you to start adding content without any formatting or distractions. After clicking, you should see a cursor appear, indicating that you can begin typing. Now, type a symbol. This action will trigger a menu that displays various options for linking content within Notion. You should see a list of suggestions appear below your cursor. Next, select the option labeled Link to Page from the suggestions. Clicking this will allow you to create a link to another page within your Notion workspace. A new menu will appear, prompting you to choose the page you want to link to. After that, click on the main page you want to link to. This will establish a connection between the two pages, making it easier to navigate your workspace. You should see the link embedded within your text. Continue by clicking on Add New Page again in the left sidebar. This creates another page where you can repeat the linking process. It is important to maintain organization within your Notion workspace as you create additional links. Now, click on the title of this new page. Enter a title such as Link To for easy identification. This step is crucial for keeping your pages organized and accessible. Type in Link To in the title area. This title will help you recognize the purpose of this page later on. After typing, ensure that you are still in the title area. Click on a blank space again to continue. This action prepares you for the next step of creating another link. You should see the cursor indicating that you can type. Type the DAT symbol once more. This will again open the link suggestions. A menu should appear showing you the options available for linking. Select the Link to Page option once again. This allows you to continue creating connections within your Notion workspace. You will see a prompt to choose a page. Click on the main page you want to link to again. This step helps maintain a structured network of pages, making navigation easier. The link will be inserted into your... Now, click on the main page again to ensure you are on the correct page. This will help you verify that you are working in the right location within Notion. Next, click on the 2 backlinks displayed on the main page. This action allows you to manage the backlinks you want to remove. You should see the backlinks highlighted or selected. Click on link 1 to proceed to the next step. This will bring you to the specific page that you want to edit. Once you are on the page, you should see the content associated with link 1. Locate the 6 dots icon on the page. This icon typically represents a menu for additional options. After clicking this icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can take. Select the delete option from the menu. This action will remove the selected backlink from your page. You may see a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure you want to delete the link. Click on the main page once again to return to your primary workspace. This action allows you to see the changes you have made to the backlinks. Click on the one remaining backlink to check its status. This ensures you effectively managed your links within Notion. You should see that the remaining backlink is functioning as expected. Finally, verify that one backlink remains as intended. This will confirm that you have successfully removed the other backlinks without losing important connections in your workspace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.